All right, let's take a look at this last problem and solve for x. Absolute value of x plus 3 plus 5 is greater than or equal to 4. So solve for x, we have absolute value of x plus 3 is greater than or equal to negative 1. So if I started with absolute value of x plus 3 plus 5 is greater than or equal to 4, I end up here. And this looks funny because absolute value is something greater than or equal to negative 1. That has to happen. The absolute value of something has to be 0 or larger. And so this statement here is always true for every real number. So x is a real number. So this first statement implies the next statement, and that means that if x is a real number, then it's a solution. Now these are if and only if statements. The bottom line here, if I add 5 to both sides, I get the top line. If x is a real number, then the absolute value of it is going to certainly be, absolute value of this thing will certainly be greater than or equal to negative 1. Okay, so basically this is saying that everything works. This x is a solution to this top line if and only if this true statement is correct. So all values of x correct. All values of x are solutions. So when I come to the bottom here, usually I have x equals something or x is less than something. Here, x can be anything and this line is correct because the absolute value of anything is greater than or equal to 1. So this line works if and only if x is any real number. So all values of x are solutions. So I have two biconditionals, unlike the previous review problems. Here I have two biconditionals, but this bottom line is always true, which means the top line is always true no matter what the value of x is. And so all values of x are solutions.